Alejandro Padilla is an American politician serving as the 32nd Secretary of State of California. He is also the U.S. Senator-designate to replace Vice President-elect Kamala Harris in the U.S. Senate. A member of the Democratic Party, Padilla previously served in the California State Senate, representing the 20th District after his election to the position in November 2006. Prior to serving in the Senate, he served for more than 7 years on the Los Angeles City Council, representing the 7th District. First elected in 1999, he was elected president of the Los Angeles City Council in July 2001 and retained the position through December 2005. On December 22, 2020, Padilla was selected by Governor Gavin Newsom to replace Vice President-elect Harris in the United States Senate. Padilla will be the first Latino senator from California and the first male senator to represent the state since 1992. Padilla is one of 3 children of Santos and Lupe Padilla, both of whom emigrated from Mexico, specifically from Jalisco and Chihuahua, before meeting and marrying in Los Angeles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.